Mid-Columbia Fisheries Enhancement Group is a nonprofit organization dedicated to protecting and restoring wild salmon populations, their habitats, and ecosystem functions that support native fish species through restoration, protection, education, and community involvement.
Collaboration is absolutely essential to virtually every aspect of my job and of our educational programs. We work with tons and tons of our partners, state agencies, federal agencies, other nonprofit organizations, tribal agencies as well, and really rely on those partnerships to make our educational programs happen.
So I work weekly, if not daily, with Mid-Columbia Fisheries on their habitat restoration for the Teanaway Community Forest. Mid-Columbia Fisheries has been an excellent partner in anything from going out to line up contractors, doing outreach and education to the public, to school kids, and getting the word out about the importance of restoring the habitat here.
We work really closely with Mid-Columbia Fisheries in a lot of our projects, especially in the Teanaway. And they are just instrumental in not only having such wide knowledge bases in the area and having a lot of perspective for the kind of change that they've seen over the decades, but also of the goals of the organization that they help bring to the tribe's priorities. It's been pretty incredible to see how powerful that partnership is.
Education is a really big part of our mission and our goals at Mid-Columbia Fisheries. I would say especially in the last couple of years, we've really been trying to expand our educational offerings. None of what we do from a restoration, from a protection standpoint really matters if people don't care about it. We've used curricula from PEI, they help us with our teacher trainings that we do. Virtually in every aspect of our educational programming, we lean on PEI in some way or another through resources, through chatting with people and just kind of getting ideas and knowledge.
I feel like this program has changed my perspective from the outside because I feel like sometimes, well, at least me as a teenager, I'm kind of like stuck on my phone, or this is a very good way to get out of my comfort zone and a good way to like enjoy and admire the outside and how the littlest thing can affect everything.
I thought salmon and just like any other fish were just, fish, just nothing that special. But I've realized now that basically the whole ecosystem relies on them, like nutrients, food. It's great to see how they impact our environment.
Bringing in young people who are still impressionable, who are learning how to be outside, develop a relationship with the outdoors, and kind of what our impacts are is, I think, really, really valuable in ensuring that our work can continue, that we can instill stewardship in future generations as well.